it's me again. I have a tiny problem and I need to fix it. So, and it's not gout. It's not anything medical. It's this. See this? I think it's a Harbor Freight one. Well, anyway, the actual flashlight's not the problem. It's what's in it that's the problem. Well, I think we lost it in the house, or my kids lost it. And here's the problem. Oh, check out the crusty battery. I'm a stony, crusty dude with a mop on top. What was that? Pauly Shore. So anyway, I have a battery problem. And I'm not really sure how to undo this problem. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to put a screw in there and pluck it out with a screw. So hold on a second. I'll be with you shortly. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's a battery stuck in there. I don't think you can see it. Maybe there's too much carbon here. Maybe it'll slide right now. Is it moving? It's moving a little. Come on. Come on, battery. Come on. Come on. Get out. Lube? I don't know if I lube it up. Put some lube in there. Luba dooba. Maybe it'll cause a fire too. Get it to. Oh, there we go. It's lubricated. Now let's see. Come on. Out of the damn thing. Come on. What the hell? Should I go like this? Ouch. What the hell was that? Alrighty, we got. Moving. It's moving. It only goes so far. It gets stuck. What's it getting stuck on? What is it getting stuck on? Need a round bar. Little piece of round bar so I can scrape the edge. Hold on a second here. Let's see. Come on now. It's just stuck on some corrosion. Come on. Ow. Why did that hurt? I don't know. Maybe. We need brute force. There we go. Break out the vice grips. Break out the vice grips. Need the self-adjusting ones. That's what I need. that didn't work. Nope, not it. The internal guts are coming out. Stuck. It is stuck. Weird. I think I'm gonna have to maybe chuck this in the garbage. And I like this flashlight too. It's a good one. Why is it always going to be like that? Get a lot of the corrosion on the sides. Scraping it off. There you go. Let's see if it'll work. Ow! Stabbed myself. It goes up and down, but it will not come out past that point. Will not go past that point. Weird. Very weird. It turns. It turns a little. It spins. Maybe a wider screw. Some more Earl. There we go. Oil the shit out of this thing. Other option is I put a screw, drill the damn thing right out. But then I don't know if I'll be able to get to that. The other problem I have is I can't get the back part off. Open. I think this back part unscrews. Let's see. Wonder if I can get a wrench into this. Hold on. Let's try this. Alrighty. I know. I could buy a new one for all this effort, right? Could I always buy a new one? But what's the fun? Not having fun. Well, there we go. See that? All it took was a little bit of... Ugh. That's gross. Maybe I can push this out of here now. Ooh, look at that. Comes right out. It's going to give birth to a rotten battery. There's a freaking screwdriver here now. Ugh. What loveliness. Alright, we got the... I guess the barrel of the... clean. That's pretty gross. This is the alkaline. That's why. Thunderbolt. It's probably the one that came with it originally. So yeah. So here, clean out. There's corrosion everywhere. Here. Enough of the corrosion. Now, do I have batteries test this thing? I don't know. I don't even think I have a battery test this stupid thing. So, do I have a wire brush around here somewhere? Could have swore I had one. A wiener brush. Where are you? Check down here. A wire brush. Wire brush. Oh, yeah, I know it is. I put it in my wire brush drawer. Hold on. Hold on. Well, now that I got the alkaline feature out of it, and on the floor for now, I cleaned most of it up. I don't know, these things flammable? I don't know. I don't know if it's throwing the garbage on the floor for now. I see I need my trash to go on fire. I can't even test this thing here, but I do know one thing. Is that a third one there? Oh, Christ. I think there's a third battery in here now. Yep, looks like there's a third one stuck in there. Great, great. So anyway, I got 2 of the 3 out of here, and the last one you can see is wedged in there. I'll spare you the grief. Maybe I won't. But look at this, it's all corrosion. Corrosion. I wonder if it's all. Oh, that one might pop out. It's got a little give to it. Let me take this off here before I break it. Looks like if I thought it was only 2 batteries in there. The worst part, I can't find my wire brush. I can't even test it because I ran out of batteries at my house. So, I'm going to go to Horror Freight and buy some those cheap things that, like the little dental pick things, which I'm not buying for $1 million off of Snap-on. I'm just going to buy a cheap one. Will this come out? Maybe. Come on, come on. But screwing it should come out. The chair's in the way. This battery's all corroded. Yucks. Yucky, yucky. This is the magnet. Yeah, it's a magnet end. What is this? That's the LED, LCD. How much you want to bet this won't come up? Lovely. Lovely. Let's go like this then. This here. Stand that up. Oh, there we go. A little bit of a start there. Battery spins. This one doesn't want to come out either. Doesn't want to come out, and I can see why. There's a ton of crap in there. What just spun around? Weird. A ton of shit in the way. More crap. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Almost got it. Almost got it. Ta-da! That one's a little better. Holy crap, hold this. Does this come off now? Oh wait, let's spin this a little. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Let's unscrew this part. That unscrews, I think. Or just pops off. That comes out. That part. Well, I feel like we're getting somewhere. This part kind of pops out. I want to come off. Weird. That's strange. Maybe it just comes out. I can't get it out. There's a wire. Oh, wait a minute. There's a... There we go. That's interesting. It's like a weird kind of screw in here. Did I break the cable? Oh no. No, please tell me to break it. Shit. Yeah. Come on. Get in there. There we go. Of course, I dislocated a wire, which isn't good. That goes in there, and this goes in there. Well, it looks like I have what do you call it? A tiny soldering project to do, and that's it, really. How the hell do we get the solder? Take this kapooey thing out of there. Alright. Before I take this apart, I take a picture of it. So hold on to your hats. Goes in there, I guess. Nothing like a 12-hour video on how to break a Harbor Freight light. Yeah, that goes in that way. A shit ton of corrosion. And a really shit ton of corrosion in here. It's not really corrosion, it's like crud from the battery. Oh yeah, it's corrosion. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's a big white googly patch right on the side. There's a bunch of crap in there. 12-hour video, not a undo a freaking thing. So anyway, I'll run a sandpaper through it and put it back together. I may have accidentally disconnected the, what do you call it? The wire on here, of course. So I'm going to have to be really gentle and figure out where the hell that was soldered to, because I don't know. I don't know where that was soldered to. Might have been right there. So I got to break out the soldering iron and probably put some new wire on here. Just tack that on there. Ta-da! Talk about a cheap wire. That's all that is a little light band, which is weird. Anyway, I'll end this here. I will put it together in my own time and see what happens. I probably should just throw the goddamn thing away. Just there's all kinds of crap in here too. Crud buster. It's a good magnet. There's all kinds of crudsies in there too. Holy crud. I mean, it should work. I think it's about all this for a $10, what do you call it? Flashlight. Oh, I like the flashlight. I think I have one on my camper, but there's not really wrong with it. It's the battery stuck in there. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and if you like to see the guts of a Harbor Freight thing, and it should work. Which one is this? Yeah, it's the end piece, and there's this piece, and that piece goes together. Toodles, have a good one.